Yakoya Samba, a twy and common or so. General,
Minio,
what's our coalitions in the bill?
Ah, Mijamudi Dindi. Obiase Pakako, Obiase Pakako.
Ah,
mi bojuma pao. I am the only regional officer. My name is regional chairman. I organizer and a few others.
but you are in the region.
And I'm lost 7 seats in Accra.
But you are the secretary.
Very well.
And I'm losing 7 seats to the NDC.
Well, every good leader accepts responsibility.
Nti ojitum ze mwanye modwuma ye nti na 7 seats.
Media to mo said niam na bi chia e. Ba nye say anye edwuma ye. Edwuma e wo say ye as party leaders ye pa. In fact, there was a time national security for the meche ebe wo name say e ya time me did nante no nye. Na me sure me also ye. Sometimes I come back home 2:30 a.m., 3 a.m. By 5:30 a.m. I'm awake, me kobium. In fact, I be do time be kra na me ntare egu me ka actually.
And the ban is saying, "Ejuma we nyina wa ye won to me you are on the field all the time, and I'm walk election no lose 7 seats."
Me nya ye ye no. Yante anda. Brofo kan postmortem. Me ni me regional organizer, and I'm a wing. The women organizer, the Nasra coordinator, my assistant secretary. You know we call rounds. Emma yekotie what the problems are. Back on Amoka is about holiday na Emma. And then no, in Ablekuma Central, about so kind. The member of parliament lost with 204 votes. A hard-working young man, I'll be a dear dancer, so he lost by 204 votes. About so kind for no mess or moshe some betuaba no mamba because it was an holiday. Nipa na ebi otika so echire ho. Na ya ma holiday. So when ma menji ma hu me ma menda me baby, pa metuaba.
Meaning say want to
ebi anipa ni tinsa wam. Campaign was say ye come market ye pom cho say ye sro mo bobo den so meba. In Odarlia, I was part of it. My deputy women organizer, Perpetual Asante. Me na me man pe megaphone. Omo ko kan hia yesremo yanim say your holiday mo na mbra beto aba. How many people will sacrifice say yama holiday nti me de me nkujuma. Bebre amba e afeti o kan ko enough. Ye wo market La Paz. E haye
in your part as leaders, and the Namusu say Mwanya Yentia, Aquatiamo.
Many Abema, made the Americans a great Accra, a Jumbo was a party before a war. Ye. Me, as regional secretary now, I am the engine of the party.
Yes. I
have the organizer, youth organizer, women organizer, Nasara, coordinator, all under me, and I work communication, research under me. Make us a microphone. Be one side pena nejuma answer down so any research no I can say on authority say as secretary na be see na me report say why research back me can ye at a point your man discuss on research send them na research na beba
woman scan na mo de man on research
me eno de ye party asem yanya ye nua baako bi a ye friend Jesse Boatin or USA ya obeboa get take to election. The research back up obey ya me can be honorable Ajisowa, honorable Jerry Ahmed, honorable Bost Penny and research officer can be or take you through some research. Apart from no research be now research was to give information for the communicators. Now who say, hey, in Puano premise for a problem or whole. Now, how are we going to handle it? Finding solutions to the problem. All these things didn't come on paper.
This election, I mean, you say you are not going unopposed. When you to say Emmanuel Clote, any the other person, me referring to Accra or not so a contested in this particular election. Not just say Sankro for or more party or more party. I say 2020 elections, Monday born and said that I'm conquering be brain to Sankro for you contested.
Yo, mini meda wasibium. Say election ni bibia Ghana yedu no democracy na yedi adwuma obia to me call elections so nipa dey qualified me contest obi a wo ho no enne nipa na me contest ye no onya ya anka obeba Honorable Sabo Adam no acting regional secretary because of me ye and adwumadin say Paka with the hard work I won't contest you. I'm driven joining your campaign team. Timina will say your campaign team to ensure you win, so that I will think about it if the next time.
Emmanuel Clotte or
Mrs. Adam Sabo. Now Emmanuel Clotte, I know that I am a research and election officer. Now say you have one department I want to me and you will and now see me the regional secretary and then they do one and was you. It does super. But maybe 21 seat. See how many can say 14. I would want to clear that thing. Because a year me try a year said Jumeya minimum pa me frame me champion pa na results we akoba. I can tell you say in Ablikma Central. In Tokwa Bay na yam patawo hodom. You have immediate past constituency executives. Because of muko constituency election omo winning and omo perception say MP no ekoboa one group against your monte. They campaign vigorously against the member of parliament. The MP lost by 204 votes. If these people were on board, now almost omo yenya. E dey na yenya omo anka. Sometimes the meeting you have stakeholders in Ablikwa Central, myself, Lord Kome, municipal chief executive, was a yekabia yebeka. Omo PF them wa. There were some of them were even having meetings with the NDC.
How many NDC for no call me?
Men na me catch now. Into omo be year when him say omo constituency election. Yes, you could tell omo say omo winning. In this just immediate past election. Into Crawford be DI abro. And me what did you pass on one no. But going forward, no, me feel say some of these wrongs, no, you better check him. Ye pa. Men can say me per votes, me call election. I'll be soft. I am that person who is strong, bold, courageous, and fair.
Okay, General Secretary, you're trying to say, as Secretary, what on one election, I do 7 seats. So we can say that should be the yardstick, because you're to Obama, or because we feel that it was here more seats. Now we work out lose seat. Into yardstick na ngaza de anke swat.
You mean a medal asibium? The American say it is part of the regional executive committee. You don't work in isolation. You work with the team. It is part of it.
And that's
so. No channel. Honorable say doing Ketia in the NDC. Is it not the general secretary? They went for an election.
Yes.
Ebi wo ho mo winning. Ebi wo ho mo lose. Because of the knowledge, the experience, and they are still maintaining it.
And probably you have the knowledge and experience. I didn't think I will move from a general secretary level to probably a chairmanship.
Chairmanship, no. Me wo chairman na me feel say ejuma oye na eso edi.
Wow.
Eye divine otu ago home. Nti so no wo ho a me so me contest wo a na dey na ye pre. Me feel say bibi a me expertise wo. Bibi a me nim say me ye ade power ho e secretaryship. And that's why I'm running again. Like I said, no. It is only a coward and not joining Tokwa.
Babe, catch a bisha. That's a Sonia that you know translate now. Share me. The be American. Sikanin Kuan Didi, Nasa Womea, Ayana Bontin, and yet a nika, and se Unya Accra, Ayan Watering,